Hianglam Police Station na Kakching District Police Commando Kuntra Humdoi Suba Assam Rifles 59 GR amate CRPF ki Chama Kuntaruk Suba Battalion A Company ki apunba team amana wapkai nate khong khulpali ground mayada thiba humba ki thabak chathabada khusukulai kaya fagat pangamle hairi Police taki fangba pau amana hai fagat laba khutlai sing adude magazine ani ka loinana stand gun ama 12-bore single barrel rifle ani, magazine yawa 9mm pistol ani, 36 hand grenade mapan, stun grenade ama, arming ring mari, tube launching mari, baofeng wireless set amaga, charger amaga, 9mm live round nipan, 12-bore live cartridge ahum, 12-bore fire cartridge ani, 7.62 explosive cartridge tara nipan, SLR ki fire cartridge tara, AK ki fire cartridge tara amate bulletproof vest ahum ni hairi. Faraba potlam sing adu makhataba logi oiba thabak sing lokhatnaba Hianglam Police Station da sinakre haina su paw sina makhatari